really stick like that really applies to me a lot, because I used to be a big follower, and she taught me that I can be my own person and I can do what I want to do. And in robotics, it was real engaging and fun. I made some new friends. The robots was real fun, and yeah. And music production was also real cool. It was fun rapping, and also made a lot of new friends with that too. And yeah, that was it.
Stacking. They want to compete, but I'm not down the floor or fake. If I say it's up, then it's up. No debate. Whole team eating, we all getting cake. Too much drip, gotta watch my step. Don't be talking out loud, I'm on desk. Head on the slow, ain't taking no stress. Fashion made diamonds, I'ma come out the best. Ducking on my eyes, no, I gotta keep it deep. Gotta see it saying, no, he right under my feet. Every roll in the cup, no, I gotta keep it clean. When I step out on the scene, they all look cause I'm the queen, yeah. Okay, they all look cause I'm the queen. I don't take the clout, no, I get that for free. Don't be chasing the red, no, the very chasing me. Big check, fine, stay fine. Looking on my feet, I'ma make it up. Looking on my feet, we gon' make it up. God is in the room, my joy is to go. Finish me, see me, baby, my joy. Give my feet, and it out loud.
Every day I wake up, I get my life take up. Got me through the I'm so crazy, because I know he died. That's why I always God on my thing in my life. And all I gotta say is, nigga, Jesus Christ.
Wanna light on to
Got my feelings at the street. It was sad, look at me. Yeah, the back, she's in me. This is Christ, now he's in the back. So my brother, come back. Every move I make it now, I know I got a choice. Could've stayed inside the struggle, but I choose another route. Now I'm looking for a future, they said I couldn't get it. When I was little, I ain't had a thought. But now that I'm here, I don't know where to start. I had a big problem, didn't want to solve it. Thought about my mama, what if she want better? That's when I realized I had to go to change. Started taking classes, went back to school, got my degree. That's when I made the move.
This week, in Miss Charlie's class, she gave a little bit of advice, and she said that it's okay to make choices and people not like the choice that you made. It's okay to make it. And I liked the drones. It was really, really competitive, and it's very challenging. With the robotics, it was really, really fun. Like, I think that might have been my favorite class. Because, like, it's just like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. And in the music class, I had a lot of fun making that song and meeting a lot of people. And
wake up in the morning, thinking the God above me. Walking with this face strong, who will it for me? In your face, stand down, this tough. God on my side, so I'm always in the ground, thinking I'm my person out of the streets. Yeah, I gotta thank God for this perfect opportunity. Now I stay up in the church, jumping up and off me. Yeah, I feel in love with God, that was wake up in the morning, get my life in order. I don't got no rights, but I still do stuff. The streets, the best, the seat.
liked about this experience is that a lot of students, if they didn't like keep up with the other students, the teacher would take their time to break the steps down so that each student would get it. And then for each class, for Miss Charlie's class, I like how the energy was always lit in her class, and it was never boring to her class, and she was very strict, and so like, no playing in her class. And then for the music room, it was a good experience knowing how to like how it feels to be in the studio and how the acting, that was good. That was fun. And then for Coach Troy's class, the robot, it was really fun, and he was talking about how in the next 10 years, robots could possibly take over a lot of human jobs, and yeah, that can change a lot. So yeah, that's it.
Let's go, Aiden.
What they blame him, my boy? Hey, come on.
You're the one that I love, so I thought you was my friend. Even when we broke up, I've been thinking about you lately.
Come on.
Can't get you off my mind, got my mind going crazy. Better in myself, so I get you back, man.
Come on.
Talk to him.
Everybody got their own life and their own problems. I have to show it for you to call them. It's been this wish since I was 12. Who can't love, who can't judge, now it's a man street. I say I love my little boy. Okay, chuck out speaking in English. My baby, my baby. My car being in the shade. And if you drive you, it was crazy. I thought something bad, I thought something right there. And all that shit, to a new land. Tell the truth, do you really love me? Tell the truth, do you really love me? Tell the truth, do you really love me? Tell the truth, do you really love me?
Come on. Hey.
I get some baby, so I get the stuff I want. Gotta keep going, so I put my family on. So I gotta keep going. Sometimes I wonder how my mama gonna make it when I'm gone.
Come on.
So I thought you was my friend.
Yeah, come on, man. Wave your hands for me. Hey. Come on. Hey. Come on. Let go.
Can't get you off my mind, got my mind going crazy.
Got my boy going crazy out here, man. Talk about it.
Better in myself, so I get you back, man.
He gonna get him back. Talk about it. Come on, man. Y'all get it up, go on, man. You guys gonna need your voice. I said y'all gonna need your voice. All right, then, did y'all get an opportunity to use your voice? Then let people know who you are. Don't shy away from it. Don't back down from it. Don't hide from it. This wasn't just about doing music. This wasn't just about drones. This wasn't just about robotics. It wasn't just about acting. It's about having an opportunity for you guys to know who you are no matter what.